Let's walk through how to set up your outdoor sensor. We'll pull the battery tab, pick a location, mount our sensor, and then using a phone, pair it with your NoiseAware account. To complete this setup, an indoor sensor must already be installed. In the box, you'll find our sensor with batteries inside, an adhesive mounting pad, and a wood screw. Let's start by pulling the battery tab. Unscrew the top of your sensor and remove the plastic tab. Be sure to be looking for the blinking light which shows your sensor is now on. Your outdoor sensor needs a few minutes to make a connection with your property's indoor sensor. Set a timer and wait 5 minutes before continuing the setup process. While you wait, make note of the sensor's unique serial number. You'll need to be able to identify it later. Now that we've waited 5 minutes, pick a location for your sensor in the activity zone you want to monitor. Be sure to avoid loud appliances. Also avoid direct sunlight and any leaves or bushes that might rustle in the wind or make noise. For best performance, keep your outdoor sensor within 120 feet of your indoor sensor. Now you're ready to mount your sensor. Reassemble the sensor and use the included adhesive mounting pad to place the sensor above the area you wish to monitor. Apply firm pressure evenly for 15 to 30 seconds. Last, let's use an Android or Apple iPhone to finish setting up your sensor. In the NoiseAware app, begin setup by selecting the menu icon in the top left corner, and then select Setup Sensor. Select Outdoor Sensor and begin setup. When you're ready, tap Next. After you choose your property, outdoor sensors located at the property will appear in the drop-down menu under serial number. If you've waited 5 minutes, your sensor should be listed. Select it and give it a name. When you're ready, tap Next. And if you've already mounted your sensor, tap Next again. Finally, take a photo of your sensor to go on your NoiseAware dashboard by pressing the red button. When you're all done, you're ready to start monitoring.